New school, new environment, new people, new life. Dapat kasi di nila mabalaan nga bata ko ka mafia boss, no? Awa. Kung ba ang gali magsunod sa bagong nga lugar, no? Ay, I wonder what's in store for me here.
Welcome to UP High! Kilala mo na pala yung mga advisor, pala mo na pala yung mga classroom, pala may mga section. Naka-enroll ka na? Oo no, naka-enroll ka na siguro. May friends ka na pala, dili? Kikilala ka na. If you want some, you can always ask for help dito sa amon. Si mga years. Yes po.
JPF mga mano sa Freshie. Freshie, dili ka sa amon niya. At least kami may office fully furnished with 5G Wi-Fi. May DSLR camera with unlimited Canva Premium, unlimited Grammarly, and unlimited chismis. Sa kasanag, walang pake.
Always free, y'all!
Kung real kang Pinoy, dito ka na sa kapwa.
Pinaka-aktibo, best in Filipino, first honors. Second honor, your honor, hindi ko na pumalat.
Miss Universe, matakot ka na dahil bonggang-bongga ang anak ka na.
Saan ka pa? Hindi lang aesthetic, pang IG story worthy pa. Excuse me. Kape para sa Hepa!
Kami ang HEPA. Yes, we do the cooking. Yes, we do the cleaning.
Hindi ka na magpati kay mas sure kung mas bagay ka din sa amon. May red amon flag, pero hindi kami red flag. Here's our RCY, we're always first, always ready, and always there kung nasakitan ka. Din ka ba? RCY ka na?
RCY! RCY! Uy! Ready to be a game changer? Sa Commission on Elections, it's all about pag-asa for a brighter future.
It also centers on pakikinaho. Your voice matters.
And pagbabago, be the change you wish to achieve.
Din ka pa? Intra na sa Comelec?
Safe ang boto mo.
Boto yan.
Boto sa tanan.
Prince, ikaw di pala preso ako. Kaya ako naman yung ipili mo, di magambalambal ya. Boto mo ko na ko. Pati ka na sila, diri kayo samon. Gusto mo pala mag-pick with a special someone? Di, become na member sa amon. Kaya po kag mag-skip ka na sa line mo. Joke lang. Gusto mo pala magpa mga picture ka, mag-create ng graphic design? Din na muna ng lugar nga para sa imo eh. Join our club now. Only for $3.99.
Sorry. By the way, sure ka na to siya? Hindi ka disakon? Did you know Science Club offers hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, and exciting experiences for students like you to explore and engage with the wonders of science. Wow! Magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. Ano ka na next one? Basta, there is a Science Club. We'll figure it out together.
Hoy, mahilig ka mo mag-solve Rubik's Cube, kag-iban pa ang mga math puzzles, kung pareho sa puzzle na ini, PHSI Math Club aims to make mathematics more fun and interesting. Para sa imo, ang Math Club do 90 degrees lang. It is the right club for you. Sa diin ka na, join ang Math Club.
Are you tired of fighting with its repercussions? Do you need to blow off some steam? Look no further than Sanghaya, the UPHSI Debate Club, a club that upholds values of honor, integrity, and dignity. Where your voices are heard, your arguments are raised, and where everything is up for debate.
I'm more confident now thanks to Junior Theater Arts Club.
Junior Theater Arts Club?
Uy, nano ka mo man? JTAC lang gid na.
JTAC?
Because in JTAC, that's when your mouth really para.
You like playing instruments? Intended ba na sa kundi man ang gongs ensemble. Damo-damo din instruments. We have keyboard, strings, even the gongs. Or
So assured ka na kung dili ka sa hara, ha? Tutuan ka ginamon mag-commit. Besides na ikaw magkanta, early kami exposure with annual concerts and regular performances.
sure na hindi ka mapapahamak dito kasi kami ang pinaka-holy na club sa balat ng UP High. Strengthen your hope, faith, and religious understanding and bring the UP High community closer to our Almighty God. So,
Guys, formation! 5, 6, 7, 8! Guys, from the top, from the top!
Okay, sino pa kulang?
ang goldies ata, rasa miyag-aw. Ay, arigaling si Shawo. Hi, we are UPH's High Goldies. Of course we are. May meeting, Pampang. Dali lang, goodbye.
We're passing the phone to those who will start their journey in UP High very soon. We congratulate and welcome you all to UPHSI.